Tofwa, a cryptocurrency trading platform that claims to offer a wide range of services like spot trading, futures, and margin trading. However, upon closer inspection, serious red flags suggest that the platform may not be as legitimate as it appears. Regulatory bodies, including the Nigerian SEC, have issued public warnings against Tofro, stating that the platform is not registered and may be operating a referral-based Ponzi scheme. Many users have reported being unable to withdraw their funds, and some claim that the platform locks accounts after initial deposits, then pushes users to invite others in order to unlock their balances. Independent trust rating sites such as ScamAdvisor have also flagged Tofro with a low trust score due to hidden ownership information, anonymous registration, and a lack of transparency. In addition, reviews on platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit are filled with complaints about suspicious behavior, changing withdrawal terms, and poor customer support. All these signs point to a high-risk, potentially fraudulent operation. Investors are strongly advised to stay away from Tofro and instead choose well-regulated and transparent platforms for any kind of crypto trading activity.